All right, y'all, this is the new Kabolite shovel. This came in today. K970 shovel. Timothy's gonna unbox it. Timmy, you look so handsome today.
Thank you.
Here. Yeah, there you go. Because we'll have to set it down on the board. I like that phone. You can just set it over there and then open it and set it on the cardboard. Or we can set it right here.
Yeah.
That thing's heavy, so it up, Timmy. Set it on the cardboard. This is the first one. First look at the K970 shovel. Let's see what all's in there, Timothy. Stickers. Kabolite stuff. Pallet and transmitter.
A syringe.
A syringe. I could give you a suppository. Will that foam come out? Or you gotta pull all that junk out?
I'm gonna pull out just the stickers. Screwdrivers. Damn, it's so new you can smell it.
Yeah, this is the first one. Because we need to save that.
Oh.
Damn, it's tight.
Tired of that screw girl.
Good Lord. Easy, Timmy. Easy, son. Timmy's an animal, y'all. That shovel.
Get that table.
It won't
Oh,
hold
yes, it
it.
will.
Let's just set it on this
Or
cardboard.
get my wood table.
Here, I got it. We'll set it right there. All right, y'all. There's the new shovel from Kabolite. We'll put it all together. Don't worry about opening it yet, son. We'll just leave it in the shop floor. Got foam all over it. That's the Kabolite shovel. There's how big the bucket is. That's my fist. Timmy, put your fist up there. Yeah.
My fist is big.
It looks like it's the same size. It's no doubtably the same size as the 970 excavator, but it's got a raised cab, and of course it's a shovel. But we'll do a review on it tomorrow and see how it runs and get it all put together. But it's gonna be pretty cool. Hope y'all enjoyed the video.